This is the 2014 GMC Terrain. It is a really nice, a large SUV that won't break the bank for you. These have been made by GMC for so long, and they're just some of the most iconic vehicles. This one has the SLT2 trim package on it, and let's see how the engine runs. This one has about 193,000 miles on it, and let's see how the engine sounds. Now, as you can see, if we put our seatbelt on here, this vehicle has no indicators on the dash at all, and it actually does have its eco mode. So if you want this vehicle, just message Robert Lilburn right here on Facebook, or you can also call Done Deal Autos.